The ultimate goal of Lazy Money UK is to cover my cost of living without having a job. Ideally, the earning strategy I create should be replicable by others. Since I want most of my income to be passive, I believe that some kind of content creation is essential in achieving this. If you're watching this video, then you're probably interested in earning from YouTube as well, but find going on camera or recording your voice too great a barrier to content creation. You may also, like myself, have no particular skills, talent, or expertise which you can monetize.
What I do have are a very particular set of skills.
As someone who hates doing work, I'm looking into what type of content I can produce with the least amount of effort. It seems that the easiest way to make YouTube videos is to repurpose someone else's creation. That's why people started uploading rain videos in recent years. Not that this was a good idea. Something you might have noticed about YouTube is that the amount of effort put into making a video doesn't correlate with the number of views it gets. The audience is seeking instant gratification, whether it's amusement, new knowledge, or satisfying their curiosity. A lot of video game clips come up in my feed which are under 20 seconds in length but have hundreds of thousands of views. Since I enjoy playing video games, it's convenient for me to record game footage. I noticed a niche in YouTube's gaming community of videos that demonstrate fighting game moves. This kind of content can get big view counts. These videos tend to focus on special moves, but my favorite feature of fighting games is the throws. I couldn't find a channel dedicated to grappling in games, which may mean there's a gap in the market. So, I created a backup channel called All Throws to see if I can get monetized. You might be wondering if people will really want to watch something with such a narrow focus. Well, my niche benefits from having a neurodivergent audience, including people who have very specific and intense interests. I've had fantastic feedback in the comments, which lets me know that people are enjoying the content. Even though I'm essentially repackaging someone else's work, I still believe that these videos offer value to the viewer. My audience includes game developers who are studying animation techniques. I'm also documenting old and obscure games so that they can be experienced by people who are unable to access them for whatever reason. The advantage of this channel over Lazy Money UK is that the content will never go out of date. It will still be relevant in 10 years' time, unlike earning methods which can disappear overnight. It also includes well-known franchises which people actively search for. I know that I can get more views by showing the most popular games like Street Fighter. The watch time is catching up to Lazy Money UK with just half the number of videos.
He's cheating on us! I'm scared!
Now I can't tell you what type of faceless and voiceless content will fit your lifestyle. What I can say is that there's an audience for almost anything on YouTube as long as the quality is there. For example, there's a guy who simply shows his first-person perspective of going down water slides. I bet his channel is fun to film. It's important to be interested in whatever topic you choose so that making your content won't feel like actual work. It's also easy for him to demonstrate things which other people have made. He doesn't have to build the water slides himself, although some creators do that.
Yeah, I do do that.
He just lies back and enjoys the ride. I'd like to create something of my own one day, such as an animation channel, but for now, I have to go with what will get the fastest results. Once I have steady income, then I'll be in a position to experiment with creative content. The question is whether YouTube will believe that my edits have enough creative input to qualify for monetization. In the worst case scenario, I will have to add some sort of commentary to the videos. Let me know in the comments what kind of YouTube channel you would make if you weren't too damn lazy. For updates on how this experiment turns out, remember to subscribe to Lazy Money UK.